Alright, so let's say you want to create a flyer to promote your book. Okay, so I'll just change this background to something darker. Okay, let me look for a very dark background. That's simply because our design, the book cover design we have, is already okay. Let me use this. Okay, so now is to import the book. Go to uploads, upload media, and then get our mockup. Okay, so let me use this. Okay, there you go. Delete this. Delete this. Right, so we can have something like this. Alright, so you can now add text. Okay, maybe it is selling on pre-order. So you can just add pre-order for 5,000 naira. Okay, so let's say I want my text to be read. Okay, so you can just, alright, so here you have it. Then you can just add every other detail you want to add to your book flyer. Okay, and then you can do that. So we just design using the graphics design Canva tricks we've learned so far. You can just do some things around this. Okay, so that will be all for this lesson. We'll move on to the next.